Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your Instagram account into a business account using your PC. This is perfect if you want access to insights, analytics, promotions, and other tools to help grow your brand right from your computer. First, open your browser and go to Instagram.com. Log in with the Instagram account you want to switch to a business account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page, then select Profile from the drop-down menu. Now that you're on your profile page, click on the Settings icon or the three-line menu in the top left corner, and from there, click Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings page opens, look on the left-hand side and scroll down until you find the option that says Account Type and Tools. Click on it, and then select Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will now ask you to choose between two types of professional accounts, creator or business. Since we want a business account, select Business and click Next. After that, you'll be asked to choose a category that best describes your page. For example, you can pick things like artist, clothing brand, or service. Choose what fits your page and click Done. Next, you'll have the option to add contact details, like an email address, phone number, or business address. These details will show up on your profile under a contact button so customers can reach you easily. If you don't want to share any of that right now, you can skip this step. Instagram may also ask if you want to connect your business account to a Facebook page. This is totally optional, but connecting them gives you extra benefits, like running ads or managing both platforms in one place. You can connect it now or skip and do it later. Once you've completed those steps, congratulations! Your Instagram account is now a business account. You'll notice new tools appear on your profile like Insights, where you can track engagement and follower data, and Promotions, where you can boost your posts and reach more people. And that's it! You've learned how to switch your Instagram account to a business account using your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials like this.